Hello guys, this is Richa here. Good morning to all of you. Have a great good day and you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Manner. Today we will talk about this question is asked by Sonu Kumar. This question is about Sonu Kumar and he wanted to ask about the confidence, how to increase the confidence while speaking English, and second is how to learn effective English. Third questions, he also asked the questions that how many years we will take to learn English communication so that we will be able to speak in English. Okay, so Sonu Kumar ji, please, and thank you so much. A really very biggest thank you so much to you that you also asked me these questions by the comment box, and happy journey to you. And okay, I just tell you about the confidence. You also can see my previous video I already made about the confidence. And second, I already described about how to learn English communications. So I just mentioned in the description box some video about the learn English communications, how to learn English communications very effectively way or very easy way. Okay, and about the confidence level as well. But still, I also tell you some tips about confidence, about learning, and about I just make you easy for you that how many years will you take to learn English communications. Okay, so let's get started. So we will take first about the learning process. As I already mentioned many times about the learning, how to learn effectively way. So definitely this is the only one key, only what? Speaking. If you want to speak, so definitely just try to speak. No matter what you are speaking, no matter you are speaking wrong or right, but you have to need speak more and more. As much as you can speak, just speak if you want to speak English communications. And if you want to learn English communication, so definitely for that things I already mentioned in my second video, how to attack to the papers. And you just see that you also need concentrations on the speaking, on the writing, on the watching, on the listening. Okay, so when you just try to start on all skills about the writing section, so definitely these skills gonna help you gradually. Okay, you also can speak, and you cannot speak only, you can write, you can read, you can listen. And whenever you just try to listen only native speaker, or you also can listen BBC news, or you also can listen podcast news as well. Okay, so this is the listening concept. Okay, now we will talk about the watching concept. Okay, so for the watching, just try to watch web series. Okay, British accent web series, just try to watch. This is really gonna help you if you want to learn accent, if you want to concentrations on the pronunciation as well. So it is really good for you. Okay, now if we will talk about the writing, so if you just start to write anything, just try to start any topic on daily basis and just try to write down on notepad a 5 sentence or 10 sentence. It's enough. 10 sentence you have to write on daily basis. By that things you also can increase your writing power as well. You also can make your good handwriting as well. And third thing is really very bumper for you if you want to learn English communication. So for that things, what will you do? When you just start the writing and when you just try to make sentence sum, so definitely while the writing sections you will get automatically a lot of mistakes, a lot of problems, a lot of grammar structure as well. And you also can search on the Google or on the YouTube. You also can ask me by the comment box on the YouTube. Okay, and this is a writing sections. By the writing sections you also can make strong your grammar as well. You also can capture a lot of vocabulary, okay, which is really need to learn and which is really need to practice while speaking English. Okay, so listening is done, writing is done, speaking is done, and what, everything is done. Okay, so and reading. So I always recommend it to everyone, please just try to read anything, but try to read loudly. Okay, whenever you just starting the reading, please just don't say no, don't read in your lip, no, just try to speak loudly, a little bit speak too much, and just try to forget in surrounding anyone is here or not. Just try to focus on the reading section and just try to take pen as well and just try to mark new vocabulary which you are not able to pronounce while the reading sections. Okay, and after that you also can search on the Google and just try to correct yourself, especially pronunciation. Okay, this is the reading concept. And yes, you also please don't do that, because Sonu Kumar, you already told me that you are a beginner, so don't do that. Just don't be think that okay, I just start the reading from novel and a big books. No, just try to read a really first standard of level. Try to start from the simple, from the easy method. No matter what you are doing reading, you are doing writing, you are doing watching, you are doing speaking, just try to start the simple way or start of the ABC. Okay, start of the ABC of knowledge. If we just start from basically, so definitely it is really helpful to increase your confidence level. Okay, so now we will talk about the confidence. Okay, you asked me how to show confidence like Risha ma'am. And confidence when you are able to speak in English, when you will not judge to yourself. Third thing is, if you have content, if you have knowledge to speak about anything, so definitely confidence automatically in you. You cannot think about the confidence. Confidence is created automatically by you. For the things, what will you do? Of course, you will try to get the knowledge from the books, from the listening of the native speakers, and just try to watch web series as well. Okay, all that things will help you to correct your pronunciation, to correct your fluency. You also can focus on your fluency as well. Okay, so these are tricks will increase your confidence, and I will give you one key, that if we will think that there is any secrets to learn English communication, there is any secrets to build the confidence, there is no any tricks, only and only secrets you know, but you always neglect yourself. Don't neglect yourself, don't do this type of mistakes. A lot of people also neglect themselves, and that's why they also lose the confidence, because they think we are not good at English, and that's why they want to speak more and more, but because of judging and because of a lot of phobia of not good at English, and that's why they couldn't speak in English in front side of anyone. So what will you do? Don't judge yourself, don't neglect yourself, just give the priority yourself, just give the respect to yourself, just give the important yourself, value yourself. If you will be, if you will build value, so definitely no one can say that now you need to increase your confidence. Okay, and now I'm just talking about third questions about how many years will take to improve the English communications or to speak in English. Start to speak from the first day. From a first day, you also can speak very confidently. To be honest, you can do that. But for that things, what will you do? Just do it only and only one thing. Just try to believe on yourself that you can do. Don't be think that you cannot do or you will start from tomorrow. You will start from today. You will start now after watching this video. Okay. and how to believe in yourself. Okay, suppose you are not able to speak in English but you want to speak in English. For that things, how to build your confidence, how to think to speak on the first day. Okay, so no one is perfect, everyone is learner. I am also learner. What do you think, that I'm a teacher so I'm perfect? No, I'm also not perfect. I'm also learning here. I'm also learning by you all, by everyone. After 3 months you can speak, after 3 years you can speak. No, if you will think that after some days you will be able to speak in English, this is the biggest mistake. If you are thinking like that, you can speak from the first day. If you want to speak in English, don't be think that you don't know about the grammar, you don't know how to speak, you don't know. Just think that you just start the journey from today and you want to speak in English. So just try to start from some words. Okay. I just tell you how. Okay, I just tell you how to use the words. Okay, if I talk about the fluency and really very great speaker, so of course it is not easy, but of course it will be easy. How can we easy? How can we make easy these things? Do you want to know? Okay, I will tell you. You also can become a good speaker if you will concentrations on the consistency. Consistency is really important to start anything, to build anything, to learn anything, to teach anything, to think anything. So of course consistency is really very important. If you will think that we are doing wrong, we are doing right, we don't have any teachers how to learn, how to speak, so you cannot think. Please don't focus on these things, because keys in your hand, just try to use those keys only and only one. Just try to speak. Okay, in the beginning of times people will laugh on you, people will praise on you, but after some times, for that things you cannot neglect yourself. Okay, don't neglect yourself. Just try to speak and just try to focus only and only speaking. When you are in the kitchen, when you are in the office, when you are in the school, in the college, in the bedroom, in the room, in the on the terrace or in the streets, anywhere. So just try to decide only one thing from yourself, only I have to speak in English. So definitely you can learn. And about how many years, so there is no any years. I already included these things. If you want, so definitely you can learn so soon. You can learn within 1 month. But if you will not focus, so definitely you can learn. You cannot learn, you can never learn, you can never speak. If you want to take classes, so definitely you can take it classes, but of course by the classes you also can learn grammar structures, advanced structures, but speaking cannot. You will have to speak by yourself. You will have to speak by yourself. For that things you will have to use your mouth. Okay, so no matter if you want to speak your native language, after sometimes you can speak, but for now you have to know what will you do. You have to speak English because you want to learn English communications. Okay, so bye.